So we have reached to the last lab, lab 4, boosting in action. So in this lab, we are going to check S-info. The cloud nodes will be listed as in the tilde like power down state. We'll submit a job using a sbatch, and we'll watch in CycleCloud GUI for checking the node are coming up, and then we can check the squeue. The job will move from different state from pending to running and on the new cloud node. Once a job is completed, the node is idle and it will be automatically terminated by CycleCloud using the autoscale mechanism. Let's go to our scheduler. So I logged in as Vinil, sinfo. So we have a couple of nodes. So let me uh, take the repository. Let me clone it to my home directory. And I have kept some scripts under test. So let me set an alias. Um, so we have an on-prem job, we have a cloud job. So in the cloud job, I'm requesting 2 nodes on a partition. So I'll have to edit this job file. Uh, and my partition name is HPC. And I'm requesting 2 nodes. And this is going to run a MPI IMP MPI1 ping pong test between 2 nodes using InfiniBand at the backend. So let me submit this job using a sbatch. So before submitting that, let's check the node status. For HPC, it's an idle, and you see that tilde symbol, which is the power down state. Now let's submit a job using a sbatch, the cloud job. Cloud job is submitted. The job number 2. Let's check the squeue. We see the it allocated 2 nodes, demo HPC 1 and 2, and it's currently in the configuration state. We can go to the CycleCloud UI, and currently there is no node. Now you can see the 2 nodes are coming up. It's acquiring the VM right now, and it will set up everything automatically, including the Slurm setup, configuration, the users, and it'll execute the job. This would take a couple of minutes, or maybe 5 to 10 minutes to get the node ready. So we can see the node is green, it's ready. Let's check the node status. It took for 5 minutes to bring up this big node with all the configuration, including the software installation, um, and also having the InfiniBand connectivity at the back end and everything. So now let's go back to our terminal. SQ. The job is finished. Let's check the out file. So this is the out file from the job number 2. We could see it ran the MPA job. It uses the IB0 as the interface, and it completed, it ran the MPI ping pong test. Yeah, so we successfully able to extend the on-prem cluster to cloud. So when needed, we can submit the job to a different queue in the cloud and it will get executed. Once the job is finished, there is an idle time for this node and it will automatically get deleted. So we can watch the terminate option now. Let's go back to the CycleCloud portal. You can see that the two node got terminated automatically after the job is finished. That's all for the bursting in action. Thank you very much.